Hi everyone, the small engine mechanic here. Today we are going to be making a repair on a mower's tire. To find these leaks we use an industry secret leak detector. Dish soap and water in a spray bottle. Yep, it's that easy. Now, normally I don't recommend Harbor Freight tools. But, today is an exception. This is the stop-and-go tool called the tire plugger. We use this at the shop as well as having one in my truck. Using the soapy water we can move the bubbles out of the way. You can see where the leak is now. We push the probe tool in the hole to make sure there isn't something inside. Then remove the probe tool. And insert the rasp tool and work it all the way in. It's shaped like a corkscrew so you can twist it in. Once you hit the bottom of the tool, pull it straight out. Then back in and make sure the hole is clear. Now, put the nozzle on the probe tool. And push the tool until the nozzle is in the tire. Then unscrew the probe and the nozzle will stay in the tire. Install a mushroom plug into the plug gun. And use a tool to push the plug until it makes an inverted cup. Then we will put some of the top secret bubble finder in the tip. Then screw the gun onto the nozzle. Once threaded on, squeeze the handle till the rod in the back has about ½ an inch sticking out. Then pull on the gun, and you just plugged a tire. Going to check it for leaks. No leaks at all. You can see the other leak. So, let's spray it some to clear the big bubbles. I'm checking to see if something is sticking out of the hole. You can see little bubbles forming. So, insert the probing tool. Once the hole is clear, insert the reaming tool like before. pull it out. Attach the nozzle to the probe tool. And push the probing tool back until the nozzle seats against the base. Sometimes it's easy. Sometimes it's hard. Remove the probe tool from the nozzle. Be sure the rod has been retracted. Insert a plug in the gun. Push it until it becomes an inverted cup. Spray some soapy water. Thread it on the nozzle. And squeeze the trigger till it sets. Give it a pull. And another plug is set. Add some air. Test for leaks. No leaks anymore. You can cut the plug tip if you would like. Reinstall the wheel. Remember, if you have acorn nuts, the angled side goes towards the rim. Tighten the rim back up, and it's ready. So, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. So, until next time.
It looks like another one is good to go.